Magandang araw sa inyo mga besties. Welcome back sa ating panibagong vlog for today. For today's video guys, we will discussing about what to do to prepare before, during, and after the job application interview. Yes!
So first, ano nga ba ang mga dapat natin ihanda? Kailangan natin ihanda ang magsunod-sunod na requirements. Unang-una na riyan ay ang ating birth certificate. Ito ba ay nag-birth certificate mo?
Your Honor, wala po ako malala po na mayroon pong any records po.
Naku, ngayon pa lang ay hanapin mo na. If ever na misplace mo ito or ng inyong magulang, pwede ka pumunta sa malapit na PSA CRS outlet sa inyong lugar o i-search ang www.psaservice.com.ph at mag-request ng copy ng inyong birth certificate. Wait for a few days, and your birth certificate will be delivered at your place.
Pangalawa, ang iyong transcript of records. Ito, importante to kasi dito malalaman ng HR kung gaano ka ka-consistent sa pagpasok sa school at pagpasa ng mga activities to keep your grades high. Pangatlo, SSS ID na mayroong benefits once na magsimula ka na sa pagtatrabaho. Pang-apat, NBI, clearance, at police clearance. Malinis ba ang record mo sa mata ng batas? At ang panglima, ang iyong TIN ID. At ang pang-anim, ang PhilHealth ID. At ang panghuli, ang iyong resume.
Now, what to do next? Look for jobs in your field. Pwede ka mag-search sa mga website gaya ng JobStreet at Indeed para sa field of job na gusto mo that are currently hiring, or you may look for companies that are hiring. After that, prepare your resume to be submitted sa napili mong company na pag-a-applyan. So may also write a cover letter based on the requirements, or if there's none stated, ikaw na ang bahala if magpapasa ka pa or wag na.
Next, make sure na ma-fill out nyo ang online application ng company or companies na in-applyan nyo. And lastly, wait for the results of evaluation to your application. Or maaari kang mag-follow up after ng 2 linggo through email or phone number.
At panghuli sa lahat, after mo makapagpasa ng iyong resume or application sa iba't ibang kumpanya, you may just wait for them patiently, and as you wait, you may research the reviews in their company and prepare yourself for the next evaluation or interviews. So good luck and fight lang, besties! We are always here to support and guide you. Kaya go lang ng go!